Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today, we're exploring the complex but rewarding market for orthopedic surgical implants in Latin America. The region presents a massive opportunity driven by an aging population and increasing access to advanced healthcare. However, success is not as simple as translating your existing technical files. Each market is a unique ecosystem with its own demanding regulatory body. Let's start with Brazil, the largest market in the region. Its regulatory agency Anvisa is notoriously meticulous, often seen as equivalent to the FDA or EMA in its rigor. A common pitfall for foreign companies is underestimating Anvisa's specific requirements. For instance, a European company with a well-established hip implant system, complete with CE marking, recently attempted to enter Brazil. They submitted their documentation, expecting a smooth process. However, their application was rejected after months of review. The reason was that their clinical data, while robust, did not specifically address the demographic and morphometric data relevant to the Brazilian population. Anvisa required supplementary data, leading to an 18-month delay and a costly local clinical study. Now let's turn to Mexico, another key market. The regulatory body here is COFEPRIS. A major hurdle in Mexico is the requirement for a local registration holder who is legally responsible for the product. Many companies make the mistake of assigning this role to their commercial distributor. Consider the case of an American spinal implant manufacturer. Their distributor in Mexico was excellent at sales, but lacked regulatory expertise. Their submission to COFEPRIS was incomplete, missing critical local testing reports and improperly formatted legal documents. The application stalled for over a year, not due to the product's quality, but because their chosen local partner was not equipped for the regulatory complexities. This resulted in significant lost revenue and a strained partnership. Beyond these two giants, countries like Colombia and Argentina present their own unique challenges. Colombia's INVIMA may offer a faster pathway for devices already approved in certain reference countries, but its post-market surveillance requirements are strict and demand constant attention. Argentina's ANMAT, on the other hand, has very specific labeling and Spanish-language documentation standards that can trip up even experienced companies. The overarching lesson is that a one-size-fits-all strategy for Latin America is destined for failure. Success demands a granular, country-by-country approach, deep local expertise, and an understanding that regulatory compliance is not just a hurdle to be cleared, but a continuous process. Understanding these nuances is the key to unlocking the immense potential of the LATAM orthopedic market. If you are navigating these challenges and want to discuss a tailored strategy for your orthopedic devices, please email us or visit our website.